have here is very simple. We have halloumi cheese, feta cheese, shallots that were sauteed. Luca did a great job with the sauteing.
That would be me.
And then we have tomatoes. Dallas cut up some nice tomatoes. Erinn made the most incredible.
Good job, Dallas. Good job, Erinn.
She cut the cheese. She cut the cheese.
We mixed it all up together, added some special ingredients. Can't tell you what those are.
Jeff's magic.
A little magic. And then we actually rolled them, all of us together, in a conveyor belt.
Jeff, can you taste it and tell us how it tastes?
Sure. First we need to dip it in the sauce, like this. I like a little more.
Oh, look at that. Oh my god.
That is
I can taste it from here.
it's incredible. Ollie.
My hand. Okay. Reaction. On camera. Aphrodite Spurs.
Never had anything that good in my life. Not even my mom cooked as good. Mom, I'm sorry.
Isn't it quite
this
delicious?
isn't.
It's like-
It's
it's
very good. No, it's
simple.
really. It's the best thing.
Okay, Martin, we're ready. So,
I'm looking.
wait, so we call it Aphrodite's purse.
It's burning.
Martin tomatoes in a wonton wrapper, deep fried, and then a tzatziki sauce.
This is a fusion.
Totally made up the recipe. Delicious.
Good? Alright.
Good?
Alright.
Very good.
What do you call this?
Oh, we call it Aphrodite's purse.
Did you get Buddy into it somehow?
Huh?
Get Buddy into it somehow. Aphrodite's Buddy.
Aphrodite's buddy.
That's why he's a branding genius. Right there. Branding genius.
Aphrodite's Buddy. 2 days on a Greek beach.
Making Martin happy.
Oh wow, one bite. Big bite. Is it working?
Very good.
Cheers.
This is where, right there. It's a big dip. Very good. Looking at it. Dipping.
Single dip.
Single dip.
So that's gotta be
We did have a double dipper.
Oh, no, you had
No,
double
just
dip.
kidding. Okay. And then it's going up. Up. And he's tasting it.
Only one bite. It's going. The flavor is exploding in his mouth. Look at that. Look at the reaction.
He still has his eyes closed.
He's having pure
This is emotion.
culinary heaven.
Well done. Thank you, David. What does he say?
Alright, give it a taste.
Try it. Give it a taste.
It's working? Perfect.
Belinda. Welcome to Aphrodite's purse.
This is amazing.
This is a special recipe.
What's happening? Oh, look at that. Oh my god, he's in heaven. Oh! Can I eat? Then I ask?
Yes, come on.
Carefully crafted by your own very hand.
Yes. You're Alex.
Marvelous.
Marvelous. Alex goes in.
Delicious.
Yeah, it's a special recipe that we make.
Seconds. Must be good.
Must be good.
You like it? Chris Starr. He used to be a chef.
Oh man. Okay, Howard. Let's see. What do you? Oh no, I'm filming it.
I like it.
Look.
This is a.
Look at what happens there, and you won't need to ask any question. You just want to go for it.
I promise.
Only the surprise of deliciousness. You like?
It's good, right?
Surprise, surprise. What is this? It's good. Wow. It's amazing.
Let's see. Rob Norman. Wait. Oh, Rob. Rob likes it.
Eat more, Rob.
Okay. Just the right amount.
Good? Go ahead and tell us what you think.
Well, I think it's delicious. I think the texture is beautiful. It's a good palate cleanser, and the mix. I'm here.
Yes.
Hello. How are you?
Okay, Mr. Mandel.
All right. right.
Dipping is happening. Goes deep, very deep with his dip.
Oh!
Salute.
Yep, thank you.
Second.
Your second one?
My second one.
Love her.
Best thing ever.
Your second one too. Tzatziki. What do we think, gentlemen? Justin? Wow! Daryl, that's your 5th one.
Can I have the third one? Yes. Third one?
Wow! Well, we love stuff. Wow!
I love that reaction.
Very good.
I love your invention.
Okay, Roy, are you ready?
Very delicious. It's one of the better dishes I've had.
We made. Wow! Awesome. Gary!
Gary's back for number 5.
Awesome.
He ate the first plate.
Oh my God, Bill! It's not a stream without you at the station.
You asked Dallas, I've been stood here. I've been stood here eating them.
Guys, DeMarco is going in for the dip.
Delicious. The tzatziki is really good.
What do you think? Good? What do you think?
Very good.
Dip in your sauce. Good?
You give me the receipt.
Yes. I'll give it to you.
You
Why?
are banned from cooking.
Why?
Because you make me eat too much.